I would say that if you're what a lot of people do to get started is they normally end up buying their primary residence and getting down payment assistance. Like we have FHA zero down, and you
Mhm.
can use that. You can do that with you can do that with multifamily, or you can do that with single family. And the benefit of that is you can get 100% financing, no money down. But and then the main requirement is that you have to live in the house for at least a year. But let's say you bought a 4 unit, for example, right? So you live in one of the units and then you lease out the other three. So you don't need a lot of money to put down in the beginning. Okay. You can get 100% finance if we have the down payment assistance up to 50,000 to be able to help people to be able to buy the home. But it is a requirement that FHA you have to live in one of the units or live in the property. Now the requirement is you have to live in there for a year. So that's one way how people get started. If they don't have a lot of money, the other thing is you can raise money too. You can raise money, obviously, friends, family, borrow money, all of that type of stuff that you can do. But I would say that would probably be the first step that you want to do is maybe the first, you either buying a multifamily or the primary residence that you live in at some point in the future turn it into a rental property. Okay, so that would be my first thought after to just so you can learn to get your feet wet. I don't think it's really a good idea to go from being a rookie to a 200 unit multifamily because the banks aren't going to finance you because those loans are very stringent. They have a lot of strict requirements. So I would say start with that. And then from there, once you get your understanding, you get the knowledge, then you can look at DSCR loans, non-QM loans, bridge loans, fix and flip. But I think one of the most important things is align yourself with the right network. So that way you have the right legal, you have the right accounting, you have the right people around you